What's up, Chads, and welcome to another video. So today we're going to talk about another upcoming pre-sale opportunity. This time it's from the guys from Evergrow. It's going to be their new token, which is going to be their native token of their ecosystem called Lucro token. These guys are going to be having their pre-sale coming up very soon, so this video can be very time dependent. Because the pre-sale is actually going to start in about an hour's time. However, if it doesn't sell out instantly, it will be going on for 48 hours, so you can give yourself a chance to get in. So yeah, let's get into it in a little bit more detail. So like I just said, Lucro is going to be Evergrow's new token, which is actually going to be the native token of their ecosystem. For all you guys who actually don't know who Evergrow is, we'll just go on to CoinMarketCap. These guys are actually one of the biggest tokens in the second part of the bull run last year. As you can see here, from starting last September, it ran all the way up here into the billions. I can't remember exactly what the market cap was at the all-time high, but it was definitely one of the bigger tokens that launched in that second part of the bull run last year. Obviously since then it's faded out now, and they're trying to make a comeback with basically a whole new ecosystem, and their new token Lucro is going to be the native token of the ecosystem. So this made a lot of people money, probably made some people millionaires and stuff like that. So there's going to be a lot of whales interested in this up and coming pre-launch. Most probably they've got a nice Telegram community, still almost 20,000 members, as well as a Discord community. So I know there's definitely a lot of eyes on this pre-sale, which is why I wanted to share it with you guys now. Just go on to here, we can just see the old chart from Evergrow and how it went. I don't exactly know how many X's it did, but it made some people, certainly made people a lot of money. And yeah, so let's move on to the Lucro in a little bit more detail. So they made this little video. I don't want to play it all because it does go on for a while, but it does kind of explain some of the upcoming utilities that are going to be in their ecosystem, which is going to be important if you're interested in buying the native token, obviously. So just let me turn the sound down so you don't get deafened by this video. I'm going to fast forward
since the earliest human
to about
DeFi. We introduce a brand new ecosystem token. Lucro is the token that will power Evergrow's leading suite of utilities. A suite which includes Luna Sky, a beautiful multi-chain NFT marketplace that will take NFTs into the next generation with ticketing, real estate, music, and more. Crater, the world's first social media and influencer platform that combines crypto and fiat payment options. Evergrow Wallet, a truly game-changing application that will make buying and holding crypto effortless with full tokenomics for all. And our metaverse partnership, The Abstract, which offers an array of immersive 3D experiences from gaming and shopping to virtual sports and events. Lucro has been perfectly designed to benefit holders of both Lucro and Evergrow. In fact, Lucro means benefit or profit in Spanish.
Okay, I think we'll stop it there. Like I said, I won't go on too much in this video because seems as though it's quite time dependent with the pre-sale coming up soon. Just want to explain a little bit more detail about the upcoming pre-sale now and what's going to happen. So it's going to happen in an hour's time. As you can see, there's going to be no soft cap, but there will be a hard cap of 1.5 million BUSD, and they're going to actually be launching at just higher than 3 million market cap, I think, with 500k liquidity. Now you can see here the minimum buy is $10 and the maximum buy is 25,000, so it's got a huge maximum contribution to take into consideration. And as you can see here, they're only going to be accepting BUSD on the Binance Smart Chain, but you also make sure you need a little bit of BNB for the gas. And yeah, so in an hour's time the pre-sale starts. It will either finish when the hard cap is reached, 1.5 million, or it will go on for 48 hours. Now at the end of that 48 hours, so in 48 hours time, is going to be the launch time. So whether it fills now or it fills somewhere between now and 48 hours time, the launch date will be 48 hours from now on the 12th of September, as you can see there at 3 PM UTC. And yes, I think I've explained everything I need to. Obviously here you see they've got a step-by-step tutorial if you need any more help in understanding how to buy it, because the token sale will be going on their website. I'll be making sure I'll stick all the details to the pre-sale and website and stuff like that in the description of that video, so you can get it for yourself. And yeah, so I think I've gone on a little bit too much there. Explained everything I need to. Obviously check out the links if you're interested, and yeah, until next time, bye guys.